Hello, my name is Daris Hidayat. In this moment, I want to tell you about Adobe Photoshop. Outline. In outline, first, I want to talk about description. Second, about function, and the last is how to operate. First, description. Who 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 create Photoshop? Uh, who create a Photoshop? Photoshop is created by two brothers, namely Thomas and John Knoll. And then when the Photoshop is created in 1987. Why? And why Photoshop is created? Photoshop is created originally designed to edit image for paper-based prints. But today, Photoshop can also be to produce image for the World Wide Web. And then second is function. What is a function of Photoshop? First, Photoshop can combine two images or can also be more into one new image. Can remove or delete an object in the image, and then can give and change color, can resize image like enlarge or reduce image size, can sharpen the image or photo and the quality of the image or photo. Photoshop can clean or make picture more beautiful. Photoshop can make the image blurry or blurry to make it look blurry. Photoshop can increase the brightness level of the image. And the last is Photoshop able to crop the image. And the last is how to operate Photoshop. In this section, how to operate Photoshop, I will show you tutorial how to operate Photoshop. Okay, first step, if you want to operate the Photoshop, is click File, click New. You can make the canvas project in here, in File, and then New. In this column name, you can fill it. You can fill it by the name your project. In this moment, I want to make the simple tutorial about typography, and then I fill the name column is typography. Uh, in width or height, you can fill it with size your canvas. In background, I make this background is transparent, and then okay. First, I want to tell you it is a move tool. You can move object in your canvas. And in this tutorial, first I want to make the text. This is a tool text. You can make the text. I won't make the text un, unser, and then press Ctrl plus D. You can move this text. The and then first I want to copy. I want to copy the text with. I want to copy the text by press Ctrl and J. Look, the text copy, and I want to move the text copy. Press Ctrl T, and then I move the text, and then I want to cut the copy text with rectangle marquee tool. Next is click here, add layer marks. And then I want to copy again the first text, and I want to move the copy the second copy text. And then I want to cut again with marquee rectangle tools. And do some again, add layer mask. And then I want to copy again this text, copy, press Ctrl J, and Ctrl J. And then uh, click and then press control button and pick all and press control P. uh, uh, Control plus G in keyboard on Photoshop can make some group in this layer, and then I want to copy the group, and I want to make effect for effect for the text. First is click, right click and click the blending option and stroke. Stroke color is white and the size of stroke is 5 pixels, and then color I want black. Okay, and the next step is copy. I want to copy a layer style, the effect I add. Copy, paste here, paste here, paste here, and then the next step is I want cut I want cut diagonal on this text like this. I To cut the text, I take the pen tool and you click here and here, and then right click and make selection, and then OK. In this group one copy and click here add layer mask, and then control E. Group one is white color. I want to add some effect. And then I want to copy the layer style or effect, and then paste here, paste here, paste here and here, and then is all. This is a done for make the typography, make the simple typography text. And if you want to save the project, project. You can click file and save as, and you search the position you want to save the file. This is file Photoshop file project. I want to save here, and then if you want to uh, save as a image, you can file save as, and you can change the format with PNG if you want to the background is transparent, and this is done. You can find the text. This is a typography text simple by me. Thank you for your attention.